What do you have to say?
Touch you.
I love you.
Touch you.
My son car seat has arrived. Guys, let's unbox it together. Just pray for me all is well inside this bag, because if you not good, my husband go just happy where we're like, I think you say make you go buy for shop. You say now online. Now see online matter. Anyway, I hope all is well. If so, I'm going to be leaving the link under the comment section in case you want it.
I mean, try your luck. What if it's bigger?
No, it's written from 1 to 12 years. My husband is always so scared of buying things online.
Well, sometimes you buy online, it's not the size. But when you seeing is believing.
That's it.
I think it's big.
It's big. It's written 12 to. They said 12 to 1 to 12 years.
Then look at your seat.
Look, I can't see. You like it?
It's for Benjamin to sit down. Not jumping the way you are jumping now, like cricket.
Oh my God! Let me help you. It's really big.
Hello. Yay! And the best chair ever.
That's the
What's
one
that,
I
Emma?
menu.
Finally.
Guys, oh my God, it looks luxury.
Wow, that's awesome.
You like it?
I like it.
What are you supposed to tell Mama?
Touch you.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Right, it's beautiful.
It's big, yeah.
Yeah, it's big. And it's so.
Madam, do you know what's this?
Don't
Remember
tell me,
you
do you know
had
what
it in
is this?
Cyprus.
That's a good class.
You like it? No, it's small for Cyprus. You don't even know.
I don't remember.
Yeah.
It's
Do
true.
you remember I used to sit on this in Cyprus?
The boy don't care. Don't say me.
Yeah.
Ah,
Anyway, we're going to put it inside the car, okay? We're going to put it inside the car. Do you like it?
What did you put the car?
Yeah. You remember I used to sit on this in Cyprus. Now you want to start it again now.
Yeah.
exactly.
Oh, God. Exactly. It's so good. It's so good.
Yeah.
And it's, the top has the second
It's
one.
ice cream. I think this is ice cream.
Oh my God. Daddy, don't remove it. Don't remove it. Don't remove it like that. So guys, this is it. It comes like this. We'll go and fix it inside the
I
car.
don't like that.
Yeah, but wait, no, it's not that easy.
Daddy, don't touch it.
Yes, it's
Wow. I love the fact that you can remove the seat and wash. Like that first time for Cyprus, you know, for
You
the
can't remove the
Yeah.
Wow.
So when I read the description and let's see, I think this one you can adjust this one. Maybe.
Well, no eating. Nobody's eating this time.
No eating inside the car, okay? No eating.
Say, okay, Daddy.
Okay, Daddy.
Good boy.
Guys, it's looking so beautiful. I'll leave the link along with this video in case you like it, so you can get one for yourself. It's really super comfort. Like the first one I was checking, the reviews were just too bad. Some said they can't fix it, some said the material is not the same. But this one, oh my God, I wasn't even expecting as good quality as this one. You
It's not
wait!
style. Yeah, it's for car, it's not for house.
It's
okay?
for car, okay? Not for house.
We'll put it in your seat.
Let's go and put it inside the car now, okay?
Yeah.
A lifetime warranty. It means say not they spoil.
Amen.
Lifetime warranty.
Amen.
Okay, we pray so. So don't go and spoil it with food. But I love the fact that you can remove it. Let me show you guys very well. Guys, look at that. Can you see? I love the fact that you can remove the cast chair seat and wash it if it's dirty. But wait. So this is it. So guys, it comes with a manual here how to fix it. I'm also going to check YouTube. It's a bit hard for me to see how to. I'll check the brand on YouTube.
Car. Let's know it.
This thing, okay. They go up past this. Yeah, Taba.
Okay.
Are you okay?
Okay.
Okay. Yeah, it's okay for now. Maybe when they grow more, then you can take it up.
Yeah.
It's okay like this.
It's okay like this.
Yeah, we're good to go. Boy.
You like it? What do you have to say?
Touch you.
I love you.
Touch you.
Okay.